Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 8, Circle S, exercise number 28, 29 and 30. Let's start with exercise number 28. Be ready? Start. We wish to be of service to you and we shall be happy to change the shoes if you will mail them to us. May we know when you will have the new designs for the ladies' suits ready for us? What is the cause of the delay? You seem to be slow in making them up. You will receive them in a few days. We hope you will excuse the delay. We are slow because of our desire to give you designs which will be different and new, and it takes many hours to make them. We highly value the share of your business which you have given us for several years. In the face of these facts, we think you are wrong in passing on the charges to us. Thomas wishes to go with us to the baseball game on Saturday. If he goes with us, he will take us in his car. When is the summary of which you speak to be ready? Samuel Johnson, whose speech appears in today's news, speaks tonight at the Academy. What is his subject? His topic is signs of the times. I think he usually speaks on several subjects. James Smith thinks the firm charge too high a fee for these maps. They charge us 5 guineas a set, and he thinks we can get them for less. He will show us how we can secure them for 4 guineas a set and thus save a guinea. What is the size of the box? It is 6 inches wide and 5 inches deep. I use it for the purpose of saving odd pennies. Next is exercise number 29. Be ready. Start. When we ensure a package which we dispatch by mail, do we get a receipt? A zeal for justice should be the mark of each citizen, high or low, rich or poor. We readily obey laws which history teaches are the wisdom of centuries. We have several large desks which we wish to dispose of. I think we should reduce them to 6 guineas apiece, and if we do so, we ought to succeed in disposing of them. Besides the desks, we have several large red rugs which we have had in the shop too long, and I think we ought to put them on sale too. If we make them cheap enough, we should have many customers for them. What do you think? I wish you would come to the city and discuss this sale with us. Next is exercise number 30. Be ready. Start. I wish to cancel my passage on the vessel sailing on 16th March. The judge's counsel is wise and sincere, and I think we should listen to what he says. I will write to an officer of the firm today, and when I receive an answer, I will get in touch with you. When you know these lessons thoroughly, you will be on your way to a business career. So these are the 3 next exercises of this chapter. Chapter number 8 is circle. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.